So, show us what you've got to do before you eat. Okay, so it's all ready to go. This is the short version of insulin needle thing.
Yeah, we skipped the... Is that all right?
Oh, hurry up, that's my toast.
It's all ready.
Bit of attitude this morning, mate. Nice, real nice. I help you out and look what I get. Don't! Oh. Now I smell like you.
I didn't know that would get.
Now I smell like insulin. And you.
Thanks. That's so nice. And
Come on.
I weigh you all day.
No one's going to watch a YouTube video that goes longer than 10 minutes.
Oh really? I watched a half an hour video.
Yeah, but you're boring.
Oh, in the hour video. Magical.
Careful, we don't want to see anything we don't want to see on here.
Oh yeah, true.
Like, you know.
Yeah.
Hope there's blood. It's always good when there's blood.
I think there's blood. We'll look on the outside.
Hang on. Nice. Straight to the vein.
Yeah.
Let's eat. So, that's what he's going to do before he can eat.